Claude 4.5 Haiku has just been released, and today we're going to be talking about the best ways to make money with it. A cool thing that you can do here as well is you can monetize and create content for Twitter and that sort of thing. So, for example, if we have a look at this content right here, this is pretty simple and easy to automate using Claude Haiku 4.5, and then you can actually create content and monetize it on Twitter, right? So if we go onto my profile here, and then we're going to go to monetization and creator revenue sharing, you can see that we make hundreds of dollars. Oh, let's have a look. I think we make thousands of dollars per month, right? So that was $479 between September the 27th to October the 11th. And then between September the 13th to 27th, made $723, right? So that's about 1,100 per month. Take whatever topic you have. So let's say, for example, we're talking about how to make money with Claude Haiku, and we want to tweet about that. Well, we can, for example, create 5 similar tweets to this, but more unique. Boom, there we go, right? We've got multiple tweets, so we can just post out. So for example, like this, I can just take this like so. And then what I can do is I can just, just for the sake of speed, obviously you would upload the video directly normally, but for the sake of speed, we'll just copy this video over here and then plug it in. All right, so if we take that, right? And how long did that take? That took literally like 20 seconds. So if you want to make money with Twitter, there's no excuse. It's so easy to do.